Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a watch list right here on ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, we go right here to this tab right here on ThinkorSwim. And if you click right here on select watch list, we can click right here on create watch list. Then right here, we click here on watch list name. So we will give this a name. So we do test 1 for example. And then right here, if you click on add symbol, we can add right here a symbol. Right now I'm having here NVIDIA, so you need to fill in right here the symbol code, so NVDA. And if you fill that in right here, NVDA, and we do enter, you see that he automatically will add NVIDIA right here to our chart. Right now, if you want to add something new, then let's say we want to add right here Ethereum, then we do enter, and now we added right here a nice ETF of Ethereum, and then we are having it right here. If you're making a mistake, so let's do Apple, then you see that he won't find anything. So be careful with what you fill in right here at the watch list. Right now you can also remove symbols right here, or you can move up or move down. If you do right here save, you see right here on the left the watch list that we just created. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.